Dear learners, now you will learn how we have to make the use of equations of motion in the numericals, or when they have given any particular statements where we have to make the use of the equations of motion. Such as the first question is here. You have to note down in your notebook: a bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter second inverse square. Acceleration of 0.1 meter second square inverse for 2 minutes. T is equal to 2 minutes. Find what you have to find. First condition is here, you have to find speed acquired, second distance traveled in a given interval of time. Okay, as per the situation they have given here, a bus starting from the rest means initial velocity is equal to 0 meter per second. In first condition you have to find speed acquired, final velocity, we have to find. Okay, we have to make focus towards the given terms and parameters. Whatever they have given in the question, all these things they have given in the statement. As per the required term which we have to obtain or we have to calculate or find, see the speed acquired means final velocity, u, the value of u, a and t you have. So which equation of motion we will use here? We will use the first equation of motion. V minus u is equal to at. We know. We have to find v is equal to u plus at. Put the values whatever they have given here. V is equal to 0 plus a 0.1. 0.1 means 1 by 10 into 120 seconds time. 2 minutes 120 seconds. V is equal to 12. 1 second is here. Second means here. Second having power plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 meter per second. This is the value of speed acquired by the moving bus. Now the second situation is here. Distance traveled. Now you have value of v, u, a, t, and you have to find s. Okay, as you will remind here, s comes in both the equations. Second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and s also come in the third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. As per the terms we have already here, you may use the second or third equation of motion. Okay, suppose that we are using third equation of motion. We know v square minus u square is equal to 2as, or s is equal to v square minus u square upon 2a. You may use the second equation of motion also. In second equation of motion, u, the value of u and t you have, a also you have, so you may use s is equal to ut plus half at square. You will get same result here. Therefore, s is equal to v square 12 square minus 0 square upon 2a, 2 into 1 by 10, or it is equal to 144 upon 1 upon 5. It will be equal to 720 meters. This is the value of distance traveled by the object in a given interval of time. Is it clear? Now, one more question you have to solve, as this is the question for the assignment. The question is here: a train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. A train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. The brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of a is equal to minus 0.5 meter second inverse square. Find how far does the train go before it brought to rest. How far means distance as you have to find. Okay. V final velocity 0, and you have to calculate s, but keep in mind they have given acceleration in meter per second. First of all, you have to make this the hint. You have to change the units because the units should be same. So as already we have studied 90 km per hour, directly you may write here 5 upon 18, 5 and 90, it will be equal to 20 meter per second. Velocity V having value, U having value 20 meter per second. Now, which equation of motion you will use? You have V square minus U square is equal to 2as. A you have, V you have. Third equation of motion, V square minus U square is equal to 2as. So you have to solve. Clear? Okay, thank you.